Greetings, my friends. Handi-Snacks, Oreo, cookie sticks, and cream dip. Enlarge the show detail. 10 packs. There's some perforations over here. I think that's how I'm supposed to try to open this.
Here's those mandated nutrition facts.
From this picture, I was expecting something more like the old Dunkaroos. That doesn't really exactly look like normal stuff. Let's look at that cookie. Tastes pretty much like the standard cookie. That doesn't quite taste like Oreo stuff, and it's not quite as good either. Dip and go. Try all varieties. Ritz, Handi-Snacks Oreo, cookie sticks, and cream dip. Not recommended.
Let us know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring the notification bell.
And tune in next time for my latest hot off the grill video.
Thanks for watching.